Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a minute since I last posted, and I'm sorry about that, but now I'm finally getting back to myself. I was in a little, funk, but now I'm finally getting back to myself. I'm back, really happy now, really happy with life now. So yeah, so today, this is gonna be a little different. You've never seen this on my channel before. So today, I'm gonna be baking my cookies and cream cookies used with my vanilla pudding. So as you can see, this is all the ingredients you need. You obviously need flour, sugar, eggs, light brown sugar, not dark brown sugar, Oreos, about 20 of these Oreos, and then pudding mix, just to make it soft, and then baking soda, teaspoon of vanilla, and yeah, that's all you need to bake these. So let's get this started. First things first, I'm gonna wash my hands, because you always have to when you bake. First, what you have to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now what we're gonna do is get 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And I should also get a knife. Break off. And then put in the sifter. And then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. If I can really have to dig. Okay. All right, and then now it says sift together the flour and the baking soda. And I forgot to put this in the beginning. You obviously need butter. Don't know how I forgot about that. 1 cup butter, room temperature. So I'm basically gonna put this in for about put this in the microwave for 15 seconds just to get it all soft. Now we put butter in here. So now I'm putting in 3/4 cup of light brown sugar. And then we need 1/4 cup of white sugar. And then we cream it. Let me lock this, make sure it's locked. And also the mixer that I'm using is KitchenAid. This one. Now you're going to mix it together until it is creamy and fluffy. And then now, time for the pudding mix. I'm just putting in the powder for the pudding mix, not actually making pudding. It's not like a pudding filling. The reason why they have you put pudding in it is so that way it makes it softer. Now we need the eggs. So let me get a little cup, or yeah, a little cup to the eggs in. So it's 2 eggs. Whoops. Okay, that did not go as planned.
It's okay, you still got it.
I still got the egg. Now, let's try again. And now I have to put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, now we beat that. Now we mix in the flour and the baking soda that we sifted together in here at low speed. All been waiting for. It's time to add in the 20 Oreos. So you're basically allowed to use any kind of regular Oreos. I tried, it was 2 summers ago, I tried using golden Oreos. It actually didn't work. Like the dough didn't, it was just, the dough was too dry with the golden Oreos. So you basically have to use any kind of like regular Oreos. These are basically regular Oreos, but just, with food dye. So you're gonna put this back in, add in, you're gonna let it, so that was 1, 2, 19, and 20. And line up. Now it's basically all mixed up. Just have to take a spatula and get all the dough out. And then now you take 2 pans. Now I have to make room. Now I gotta put some of this stuff away so I have room to put cookies on. Now, basically what you do, this does not call, you do not have to like spray Pam on the pan. So basically what I'm gonna do is use this scooper and just scoop. Scoop it on there. And then ignore Bella.
me.
Sponsor me. Ignore Bella. Ignore her.
Oreo, sponsor me.
Please leave that in the video. Seriously, I want
Tell-
to sponsor me.
tell-
This is expensive. This is expensive. I need sponsor.
Tell Oreos to sponsor you.
Oreos, please sponsor me.
You're in the video. You're in the video.
Oh my god.
Unless you, if you don't want to be in the video, move.
This is like $15 a box.
Okay.
I need them to sponsor me.
You don't even have a channel.
Sponsor? Sponsor Emily. She'll drink it. She drinks 310 shakes.
Yeah.
Courtesy of The Bachelor.
The Bachelor's Nick Vile.
Use this code at checkout for 25% off.
What do you think about that, Emily?
Now, basically space them out. That's what they call it. You press them down before you set them in the oven. Okay, now I am, let me get a glove.
Leave that in there.
Explain to your viewers what you're doing.
Now I'm setting them in the oven, sorry about that, for 9 minutes.
All right, back for round 2.
Round 2, while the first one is in the oven, we're gonna make another scoop. Scoop another.
you go, madam.
We're leaving that in. I'm sorry, we're leaving that in.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And yes, guys, my oven does sing. Now, I put them on cooling rack. And move over. I have to get this. Put them on there to cool.
Now for the real star of the show, me. I'm just finishing what Emily was doing. I don't really have patience for baking at all, or anything, but I'm serious about the sponsors. Premier Protein, please hit me up. I'm broke. Kidding. Kidding.
But not really.
So these are the cookies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is how they turned out. Well, they're really good though. Really good. Like and subscribe. Bye.